Hey guys, it's Miss Castillo again. So now I'm going to show you how to access Flipgrid using your phone. So let's say that you are not able to use your computer, you can always use your phone. Just make sure that you have Google Classroom installed and you have Flipgrid installed. Another very important thing is to always use your school email. Now, if you go to Flipgrid and you use your personal email, you're not going to be able to post anything to your Google Classroom. So make sure you're always using your school email. Sometimes your phone can be wacky and it'll change to your personal email that you always use on your phone, but just make sure that the settings are always to your school email. Okay, so we're going to go to Google Classroom. Okay, once you get to your Google Classroom, it should look something like that, not as much as me. You should be able to see all your class periods. So for example, second period, third, fourth. What you would do is then you would go to the period where you want. So for example, if you're in my first period, then you would click first period and so on and so forth. However, just for the tutorial, I created another Google Classroom just so I can show you how to work Flipgrid. So then you will click your classroom. You would go over to your classwork and you should see Flipgrid. So there's your first assignment. You should be able to look at the assignment. Yours might look a little bit different than mine just because this is going to be my classroom, so I'm able to edit. You're not going to be able to edit assignments. If you go over, it tells you when it's due, at what time it's due. So it'll show you right here how many points, and gives you the instructions. Now, Flipgrid is really easy, like if you already have the app, because you can click the link and it'll take you straight to Flipgrid. But just in case you're having a little trouble and you require the code, I added it on here as well. So like I said, you will just click the link. It should automatically take you to the Flipgrid that I'm talking about. As you can see right now, there's 0 responses because nobody has answered yet. But if you get there, there might be already 1 or 2. You should see your classmates on there, their videos, because you'll be able to see them after I approve them. So just make sure you keep everything professional. You don't add anything that you don't want to add. You don't want others to see, or you don't want the principal to see. You will answer all the questions. How was your summer? What did you do? Did you have any plans? How did COVID affect your life? What are you looking forward to? And just be as creative as you like. So when I say be as creative, it's because Flipgrid has a lot of cool little features. So once you're ready, you can click the camera link. Then it'll take you here so you're able to see my phone. If you want to change the camera, you can also click right here, just in case you want to record the front. Now, a little cool thing about Flipgrid is that, let's say you don't want to show your face a lot, you're a little bit scared. So you will go to, maybe you want filters. You can go to all these little cool filters. There's all these different ones. Like I said, get as creative as you want. Look, I'm scared, I don't want to show my face too much, then I can just put that. Let's just go with this one for now. You can also add a frame. I want to add a little cute frame. I want it to look like that. Or let's say I want to add a little cute emoji. So I can move it around. Let's say I'm scared, I could just put it right in front of my face. Not, then I could just move it around. Once you're ready, then you go ahead and you click the camera again so you can record. You can press it like that. Once you are done, you click the arrow and it'll play it back. This is my Flipgrid on my. So you can rotate, you can mirror it, and if you are done, you can just go ahead and click this one. Now, the next part is you're going to take a selfie. That way, it's like a little thumbnail for your video. So you go ahead and take your picture. You can also add the effects on here as well. So you can click the emojis. Let's say, oh, I really didn't like my selfie. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to cover my nose because I don't like my nose. then you can just do that. Then you click the little arrow to submit. Make sure you always put your name, otherwise you won't get credit. But if you're already on your Google Classroom, you should be able to. And you submit. You can share your video if you want to share it on TikTok or whatever, but otherwise you can just return to your topic. Like I said, you can't see it just yet because I have to go and approve it just so I can make sure you didn't say any bad words in the video or anything. Then once I approve it, it should show up on here. So that is how you use Flipgrid on your phone.